After the match against Scotland, the message to Haiti's players is simple. Do not let one result break your spirit. You showed energy, you showed discipline, you showed professionalism. And you showed that Haiti can compete with courage. A defeat can hurt, but it must not destroy the confidence of a team that is still growing. For Haiti, this is not the end. This is a moment to stand up again. What Haiti showed against Scotland was important. The players did not give up. They kept running. They kept pressing. They kept fighting for every ball. And even when the match became physical, they stayed professional. That matters. Because talent is important, but discipline is also part of football. This team showed that Haiti has players with character. Now the next step is to keep that same energy and add more confidence.
This team has real potential. Haiti has speed. Haiti has talent. Haiti has players who are playing at a professional level. And most importantly, Haiti has players who are not afraid to compete. The Scotland match should not break their morale. It should teach them. It should make them stronger. The energy they showed in that match must continue. Because when Haiti plays with confidence, discipline, and courage, this team can become dangerous.
In Haiti's history, there is a powerful lesson. A soldier was moving forward in battle. A bullet struck his hat. His horse fell. But the soldier did not stay down. He stood up. And his message was simple: forward. That is the spirit Haiti needs now. Not fear, not shame, not broken confidence. Forward. Because when Haiti falls, Haiti must stand again. To the players of Haiti, keep your heads up. The people saw your effort. The people saw your energy. The people saw your courage. One difficult match does not define who you are. What defines you is how you respond. So take the lesson. Protect your confidence. Stay united and move forward. Haiti is still behind you. Grenadiers, forward!